Hey there, WhatsApp enthusiasts. Welcome back to Followers Fusion. In our last video, we explored some fantastic strategies for boosting your WhatsApp channel's followers. If you haven't seen it yet, the link is right in the description below and pinned in the comment section, so be sure to check it out for even more insider tips. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of WhatsApp channel growth, and I've got 5 more exciting new tactics to share with you. The power of WhatsApp channels. WhatsApp channels have become the go-to platform for meaningful connections, content sharing, and community building. Whether you're using it for personal, business, or community purposes, the potential for growth and impact is undeniable. Quality content is key. But here's the secret ingredient for success: quality content. Your WhatsApp channel should be a treasure trove of valuable, engaging, and relevant content that keeps your followers coming back for more. Utilize WhatsApp features. WhatsApp offers some unique features that can give your channel an edge. From status updates to group chats, there are creative ways to leverage these features to engage your audience and promote your channel. Cross-promotion. Let's talk about cross-promotion. Collaborating with other WhatsApp channels in your niche can lead to mutual growth. Think of it as a win-win strategy. Engagement and interaction. Lastly, never underestimate the power of engagement and interaction. Interact with your audience, respond to comments, run polls, and consider hosting Q&A sessions. It's all about building a community. Conclusion. To sum it up, WhatsApp channels are incredible platforms for growth and connection. By focusing on quality content, utilizing WhatsApp features, exploring cross-promotion, and engaging with your audience, you're well on your way to boosting your follower count. Thank you for tuning into Followers Fusion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with fellow WhatsApp enthusiasts, and subscribe for more tips on channel growth. And always remember, every successful WhatsApp channel started with a single follower and a commitment to excellence. Keep pushing forward, keep creating, and watch your channel flourish.